Hi, I'm Ben Jeffries, CEO of ATEC, and I'm here today to talk to you about the biggest unsolved solvable problem in the world today. Globally, 4 billion people lack access to clean modern cooking. This is costing the global economy $2.4 trillion per year. That's $3,000 per household, majority of this impacting women and girls. But this is a solvable problem within the next decade. This is why ATEC exists, to be the global technology in clean cooking by 2030 through disruptive technology. So how do we disruptively solve clean cooking? Well, we need to be able to address the three barriers that currently exist in the sector: quality, price, and scale. On quality, ATEC has designed and patented two market-leading products. We originally started with ATEC biodigesters, which we saw as the ideal off-grid solution for farming households, converting animal waste into free gas for cooking and organic fertilizer for farming. But as we rolled this out in Cambodia and Bangladesh, we saw that only around 30% of base of pyramid households had the right conditions for biodigesters. If we were to solve clean cooking, we needed an ideal solution for non-farming households too. This is what led us to our second product range, eCook. Traditionally a technology of more expensive Western countries, countertop electromagnetic induction stoves have come down significantly in price over the last 5 years. This is ideal timing as countries such as Bangladesh and Cambodia have had huge investments in electrification, with both at 70% connected households and targeting 100% by 2030. This national grid rollout, combined with higher safety and 50% of the running costs compared to LPG, is why we believe that electric cooking will become the #1 cooking solution globally this decade. The second barrier after quality I mentioned is then price. This is where ATEC's unique value proposition comes to the forefront, with patent designs that have integrated in pay-as-you-go technology. What is PayGo? Think of it like an installment plan that is integrated with IoT technology. Traditionally, out-of-reach assets can then be broken down into small payments as low as $5 a month. Then if they don't pay, the stove locks until they do. In addition to the PayGo function, the SIM card also allows ATEC to collect impact data. Both our products offset greenhouse gas emissions and can be sold on the gold standard market at an average of $5 per tonne for up to 10 years per stove. This unique secondary revenue is our secret sauce to bringing down costs to households while also financing further scale to new countries. To the last point of scale, this is where macroeconomic trends and our patented PayGo technology come together for disruption. ATEC's PayGo products are uniquely suitable to e-commerce, a sector that is exploding in the developing world. ATEC can directly market to households through digital marketing. They can then order our solutions with just the click of a button, then pay just $5 a month once the product is delivered until they pay it off. E-commerce is now our main distribution channel, with 1/5 the customer acquisition cost of other traditional channels. Our goal is to become a triple unicorn, to reach a 1 billion valuation, impact over 1 billion people, and offset more than 1 billion tonnes of greenhouse gas emissions. While our plans are bold and disruptive, after 5 years of painstaking market testing and research in 2 countries, we believe we are now ready to execute at scale, making this the last decade that 4 billion people cook with wood. Please join us in solving clean cooking. Thank you.